Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and today we are finishing our work planner for August. These are the stickers that we have left. I had 4 pages of stickers, but now we are down to 2. I went ahead and migrated everything over. The sticker set that we're using is from Live Love Posh Chic Planner. And we might also use some of these that are from my shop. So today we're doing the monthly view. We've already done, oh gosh, there we go, that's better. We've already done the dashboard, the daily task pages. I already had to start writing stuff. And they came out so cute. I love looking at these. And then we did our journal page yesterday. So today we are doing our monthly view. And that way I can start writing all my stuff in there. Let me get that out of the way. So the only thing I did ahead of time was I added the little date stickers because this is an outdated planner, and so I have to redate it every time. And I also like to do Monday to Sunday versus Sunday to Sunday to Saturday. So these, the little circle stickers, I got out of this one. It's called Calendar Foiled by Paper Studio. It's this book here, and I am going to use also the August because I liked the August from here too, that one. So this is going to cover that. I'm just going to put this to the side for a second because I'm not sure exactly when I'm going to do that. I think first thing I'm going to do is add the days, and I wanted to use these because we're doing, you know, like the whole little pink and black theme. So I thought these would be good. Let's see if I can put, it doesn't want to come off of here. Okay. So these are going to go just like right in the middle, and they fit in there pretty good. Why are they like getting stuck? I must have not cut them good. Ugh. Well, that's weird. Let me see. Maybe I just cut that off, and I hopefully won't ruin it. Just do like that. All right. So there's Tuesday. All right, Wednesday came off much better. Wednesday, and I'm just trying to get them, you know, like right in the box. And then Thursday, my stomach's rumbling. Thursday, Friday. So now that we're going to be about to be done with the work planner, I'm trying to decide if I want to do the fitness planner next. Or actually, I need to do, you know what I need to do for you guys? The mid-year lineup, because things have changed since the beginning of the year. And I'm using different things than what I started with. And so I kind of want to share that with you guys and show you everything that's changed. Okay, those look pretty straight. I also wanted to use from here these little hearts. I think they're really cute. And I wonder, let's see, like right on that line. I don't know why, it's just a little detail. I saw these hearts and I was like, oh, those are really cute. And I'm glad they included them in here. I'm just going to put them on these little lines right here. And I'm not going to do it on the outside ones, just the inside ones. Like that. There we go. Okay. So I like that. I know I wanted to add this big pretty flower up here. I just think that works. It's like cut to the perfect size. So let's go ahead and add the August, which is over here off camera. And I think it'll cover it just fine without me having to do anything. There, August. Okay. Do we want to do a flower in the middle? Like that? Why not? I think that looks good. And we're just going to cut that white one off. So let's do like this. Probably should have cut it first before putting it down. That would have been like a lot easier. Okay, well that wasn't so bad. Let's put that back and then cut it here. And yes, I've got stuff stuck to my scissors. Okay. And then over here, I thought, let's put, since we've got that word there, I thought we could put this right here, plan. I really need to use this to plan more. Oh, look, and it's got the heart. Pfft, I did not even plan that. No, but now I gotta like line it up with this one. that is a happy coincidence. Okay, so do we want to add, I'm thinking another flower over here at the end, like that. I feel like we need a hot pink one. Let's see. Maybe like that. That looks cute. Okay, I like that. Let's cut it. Oh Lord, my scissors. Let's cut it like this first. And then we'll cut it like this. Okay. Oh. So it's on there. Okay. I need to draw a box so that I know I'm staying in frame here. I'm so bad about that. Okay, let's see if we can use these. I took some of the stuff off of it, so maybe not. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it on the side. We still have more. Okay, I kind of like that. That looks cute. Let's add some cute decoration. Does Planner Girl fit over here or not? Yeah, but her hand won't. So if we do this one like this, does that look okay? I don't like that there, honestly. Watch me not be able to get it off. Yeah, it's sticky. Damn it. Okay. I don't like that there, because I think I'm gonna do some highlighter on the in the boxes. So, and then the other thing I was thinking was, I like this. This is really cute. So I was thinking of doing like lining it. I like it. Let's go ahead and do that. That looks cute. Okay. So let's use this one. And we're just going to line the bottoms of the boxes. Oh, I messed that one up, but I'm just going to keep going. I can replace it if I need to. Or I can actually just like use my marker and draw in there. Am I whispering? I'm sorry. Or mumbling, I guess I should say. Put there. Okay. I'm going to pause it while I do the rest of these. I'll be right back. Okay, now that it's done, it's kind of giving me like a film reel vibe. I don't know if that makes sense to you guys. If you remember, you know, like little film. I don't know. That's kind of what it's, but which is fine because I do use this to write down what I'm posting, so that kind of works. Okay. Should I continue? I definitely like this one, so let's just add a few cute little. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna put this to cover that a little bit. Oh no, I don't like that. Let's just put it there. Okay. So I like that, and I do like the pillow. Let's see if the pillow can go here. The pillow's cute. Okay, so now we need something very pink in between. What do we have that would look good there? Definitely this one. Let me see. Kind of like it, just like right in the middle. And then how about one of these right there? And then let's do this one. Oh, that's kind of big. This one could go here. It's something else pink next to this one. And I really like this, and every time I try to put it somewhere, it just never works. I don't know why. Some things do that. I might just cut it and let it just be a tassel. Or what else can go there that's pink? And we could try this one. I don't think I have a smaller one. It's too big. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna cut it. We can have a random tassel. It's okay. Let's see. There. All right, well, that's looking very cute. So I've got this space here, and I've got a little bit of space here. And I don't know if I want to do like a quote or just something pretty. Like, what do we have left? I guess we could use these in here. But I've got that one there. So maybe like right here. And I kind of want to white that out. So I think I'm going to come and get my pen and white it out. There. And we'll use the little donut one here. Although I don't like those two together. So maybe this one? Nope. Too much stripey. Let's see. That's cute. Okay. And then one little thing in the corner, which I've already got that. I wonder, she's probably too big. Yep. Another tassel that's too big. I want something cute there. Let's see. Does that work? I think it works. I'm just going to cut it a little bit. I'm going to cut like that. And I'm going to cut the straw a little bit. Oh. All right. So that's going to go here. And then I think these, that's too big. Let's use this one because I do like the stripes. Okay, so I still have all of these left over for me to do my, I could add them a couple here, to do my stats page, which usually I just show that to you guys in the end video or in pictures. I'm not sure where I want this pen. Maybe I don't want it there. Maybe, let's cut this in half. Let's cut it like that. And like that. Let's put it here. And then this one up here. I don't like that. That looks dumb. There. I don't like that one there either. There. And we'll do these down here. Okay. There. Well, that was a quickie. How long was that? 14 minutes? Okay. I'm going to save these to do my stats page. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to color these in. Not color them in, but I'm going to do one box just to show you guys. And then let's see, I'm going to start it right there. Whoop. I really wish I knew where I got this thing. It says contact yubx.net, but I don't even know what that is or where this came from. But I'm going to do like this. And then, because the little grid lines are perfect for lining stuff up like this. And this is the Mr. Pen. There is a link to these, I'm pretty sure, in the description. If not, I'll make sure to put it there because these are my favorite highlighters. They're super smooth when you use them, and they don't bleed through, which is very nice. Okay, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to do this every other box, and then I'll come right back so you can see it. Hold on. Okay, I'm done. And I wanted to show you guys, I made a mistake as I was going down. I did both of these boxes instead of this one, and I already fixed that one. So I just want to show you guys what I do when I make a mistake like that. And it seems like every time that I do this, I always do at least one box wrong, or at least one line of one box wrong. But this time I did 2 boxes wrong, and I think I'm out of stuff here. I'll try the other one. So I'm just going to white out the lines like that, especially on the ends. I mean, I can do in the middle too, but it's not as important in the middle. And then I'm taking a box, one of these square boxes, and I am going to cut off the pink part like that. That way, because you know how when you write on the whiteout, it kind of looks different. It feels different. So this way, I'm still writing on paper. I'm just going to do like that, and I'm going to do a little notch for the date. And then I'm going to put that right there. That way I can still write on it, and it still looks cute. It's a little messed up, but you know what? It's okay. These planners do not have to be perfect. They just have to be cute. because when they're cute, we want to use them more, right? At least I do. I have a hard time using a page that I haven't decorated. Although I'm trying to get better decorating less on my fitness journal, especially. I have started doing my fitness journal again, so that's going to be in that whole mid-year plan video. I'm going to show you guys what I've been doing. Okay, so here we go. Look at how cute that is. I love it. And I love especially that the whole month is coordinated and ready to go. I love this page. How cute. All right, well, thanks so much for joining me this month in decorating my work planner. I hope you got some good ideas and stuff that you might want to use in your planner, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.